Okay, so on the bench today, I have a Heathkit IG42 laboratory generator, RF generator. This is this belongs to a colleague of mine, a friend of mine that I used to work with, a ham radio operator, and he's intrigued by the caption of the laboratory generator, and he would like to use it on his bench. And the only information I have on it so far is that he didn't have much luck. This guy is a communications engineer, and as I said, he's been a ham for a long time. So I think he knows how to use it and everything, but there may be something wrong with it. Haven't taken a look at it yet. But he asked if I could look at it and let him know what I find. So just taking a quick look at it here. Front panel's a little dirty. It's got some type of writing or stain above the meter there. The meter's kind of faded, cloudy. Got a little static on it. The controls seem to be pretty smooth. I can feel them clicking. There's a little bit of slippage on this band selector here. The generator control is a little rough, not too bad. And the step attenuator feels pretty good. The red binding post is cracked here. Black one appears to be in good condition. And the power and function switch appears to be working all right at this point. It's got a nice RG58 cable on it with a PL259 on one end and the old Heathkit, I don't even know what these things are called. They're like an old microphone connector for the other end. Cable's a little stiff, but may get us by for testing purposes. It's got some of the paint scratched off here. The top of the unit is quite dirty. It's got, things have dropped on it over the years, so it's got some tar or something on the top there. And it's dented back in this corner. Got a little chip here. Handle's in good condition. Left side, you can see the dent there. A few little scratches. The back, you can see that it's got some discoloration from oil or something on it at one time or another. And the other side has just a little bit of a stain there. So let's take the cover off and look and see what's inside. The power cord on this is a little dried out. I don't see any sections that look like it may have been broken or anything. So to begin with, I think we'll be all right, but we may end up replacing that at some point. Not sure those two middle ones needed to come out. We'll see. Okay, so the bottom, quite dirty. The sides and top and back don't look too bad. This is nice. I wasn't expecting all this nice shielding in here. Like it's got a little RF or noise suppression on the where the plug comes in. A little dirty, dusty inside. Tubes are in place. Got an old electrolytic can capacitor here. The potentiometer is a little rusted. Solder joints look like they were made reasonably. Meter connections look good. Transformer is nice. Check it up here. It's like an old selenium rectifier. May or may not get replaced. We'll see. All the connections to the power transformer. RG58 going in and out of the attenuator. That's nice, nicely shielded attenuator assembly there. A lot of paper capacitors. They'll probably all get replaced. A few carbon resistors. And some disc ceramics. It's a pretty tight construction there. I have to look in the manual and see what's under the cover here. Looks like we can just take it off 3 screws. Let's find out. I don't know if this little cage was original or if somebody had put that on there before. But it's kind of a neat little RF shield there. Find a wrench to fit those. If I'm lucky. No. Yes. Off it comes. Not too bad. Okay. Well, got some more paper capacitors and maybe an electrolytic under there, way back in there. Kind of hard to see with the poor light. there's our variable capacitor. And I would expect this to be coil form or something under here, although it only has 2 wires coming in and out of it. Again, I'll have to check the manual and see how this thing is put together. But overall, not too bad a condition. So, have to check the manual and then we'll decide what to do next.